What's the meaning of craggy? Craggy. Craggy.
Craggy. Craggy. The word craggy is an adjective that describes a surface or terrain that is rugged, rough, and uneven. It often refers to the jagged, steep, and rocky appearance of a mountain or a cliff face. The surface is characterized by deep grooves, sharp projections, and irregularities that make it difficult to traverse. Craggy landscapes are often associated with remote and wild regions, and their beauty lies in their natural, unspoiled state. The term can also be used to describe a person's appearance when they have a rugged and weather-beaten face with prominent features.